Watch this video to learn how to create a Xero organization for your client from their client record in Xero HQ. You can create a Xero organization from Xero HQ directly from a client record. If you haven't created the client record, you'll need to do this first. Once created, click the menu icon next to the relevant client record. Then click Create Xero Organization. Check, update, and complete all the fields with your client's details, including what the organization does, the financial year end, and, depending on your client's location, whether they're registered for sales tax. While you can change most details later on, entering the correct information now saves time later. Select which chart of accounts to use. If you're not sure, choose the default as it suits most businesses. You can change this later if you need to. For example, you can update the account code and account title or import a chart of accounts from a previous bookkeeping system into Xero. Choose the previous accounting software and whether you want to convert data. When you're done, select Buy Now at the bottom of the screen. Follow the guided process to purchase the best plan for the client. The pricing plans available vary depending on your region. Once you've added your client's Xero subscription, you'll see the client record with a Go to Xero link on the right-hand side to access the organization. Now you're ready to create a Xero organization for your client in Xero HQ.